हाईट नाही वाढत ना कुत्र्याला.
ते हाईट साईडला ते शेवग्याच्या शेंगाचं कोणाचं येते क्या शूट करेंगे फिल्म में करते हुए इनका. So what we are doing today is just meeting all the farmers and showing a little bit of what they do. But ये right season नहीं है, किसी के पास ज़्यादा काम actually करने के लिए नहीं है, but जो हो सकता है हम कर रहे हैं. तो एक्चुअली अभी फार्मर्स को क्या चाहिए वो बता रहे हैं. उनका कॉस्ट ऑफ कल्टिवेशन कम कैसा हो सकता है, प्रोडक्टिव्हिटी बढ़ कैसे सकते हैं. आता आपण कांदा सर्विस घेतली ना, तुम्ही अगोदर कसा कांदा करायची, कशी पद्धतीने कांदा करायची यायची, त्यात तुम्हाला किती
पहिल्यांच्या वेळेस आली कशी नाही
ना. आता मगच अंगावर तयार नंतर कळलं
नवीन मसाला नाही.
Nothing much was happening on field as such, just I had to take them and make them do things for the heck of it. The problem of these 3-minute stories sometimes is that I have little amount of time to shoot them, and the story requires shots from different time periods, and we'll see how that goes. 2 more interviews, then headed back to Pune.
आगे ठीक है क्या?
This is the main room. There's also a kitchen, and there's also this one more room.
Now those who have seen part 1 would know that I was making a video story for a startup which helps the farmers. Basically visually I wanted to kind of capture what a farmer's life is, and I got a lot of stuff while I was in Musford, but we realized that the fields of that particular region looked a bit different than the fields from other villages that this startup was also catering to. You know, Narayangaon. Related to Narayangaon, which is a gaon. Do chai. So just for the sake of visual variety, the plan was to check out some more farmers.
अब बस ऐसे थोड़ा सा वॉक करके उधर से घूम के आए थे.
ये अकेले चाहिए हम लोग?
हाँ नहीं, आपने चाहिए.
फळ हे काढताना, फुलं वगैरे काढताना नाही का?
फिल्म केसरी दा लेटेस्ट गाना
वो आइसबर्ग
The day refuses to end.
बहुत से है वो, उसको तो स्टॉक फुटेज में अपलोड कर दूंगा, बाकी लोग भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
Alright. Long day ends in Lean Agri's office.
All draft beer.
Hi, this is Amrit, your creative, funny, insightful storyteller. I make a lot of videos, I vlog about my life, I make short documentary films. 3-minute stories. Companies, non-profits, startups, schools, universities, they hire me to tell their stories or the stories of those they impact so that they can sell more, raise funds, attract people to work for them. And then there's the second type of stories where I go find amazing individuals doing amazing things, and they don't hire me as such, but I tell their stories because their stories deserve to be told. In fact, you can help me fund those stories at patreon.com/Vatsa. I come from an IIT business consulting background, but after a few years of corporate job, took a break to become a wedding photographer. I still shoot at weddings across India. There is something beautiful about creating art from weddings. There is something beautiful about creating art from anything.